Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub Codespaces in 2025. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting out, Codespaces lets you code directly in the cloud without worrying about local setup. Let's get started. First, head over to github.com. If you don't already have an account, make sure to sign up. If you do, click on the sign in button at the top right and log in using your username or email along with your password. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, look for the Settings tab on the left-hand menu. Inside Settings, scroll until you see Codespaces. This is where you can configure everything related to your cloud development environment. Once you're in the Codespaces section, you'll see different configuration options. One of the most useful features here is pre-builds. Pre-builds let you prepare your development environment in advance, so you don't waste time installing dependencies or setting things up every time you open a new codespace. To create a codespace, go back to your repository. From your repository page, click on the code button and you'll see the option to create a codespace. Select the branch you want to work on and hit Create Codespace. Within a few moments, GitHub will launch a fully functional development environment right in your browser. Inside your codespace, you'll get access to a Visual Studio code-powered editor, terminal access, extensions, and more, all running in the cloud. You can start writing, testing, and committing code immediately without worrying about setting up a local machine. And that's it. You've now set up and started using GitHub Codespaces. This tool makes your workflow faster, more efficient, and lets you code from anywhere. So go ahead, explore Codespaces and make the most of cloud-powered development. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.